Continuing Rehabilitation Education Program CRE HAIBA HEERAMDA Department of Clinical Psychology Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS na SHINDUNA NGASIDAGI HOURAGA NUMIT NINI CHUPANA PANGTHOK Identifying and Assessing Neurodevelopment Conditions and Disruptive Behaviour HOUDOKPA THOURAM ngasi RIMS ke Jubilee Hall da Houdok Khre THOURAM aduda RIMS ke Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sharma, Head of Department of Clinical Psychology RIMS ke Dr. Samita NG, RIMS ke Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjib Singh amadi RIMS ke Academic Dean Dr. L Rajesh Singh na mathang sitna Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina saruyaki THOURAM aduga mari ledena Head of Department of Clinical Psychology RIMS ke Dr. Samita NG na Phongdok rakpada mama mapa oiba singna pikliba angang sing loina bada heitaba na maram oiraga angang da ahongba kaya lakpa asidagi ngakthoknaba awareness program asi pangthokpani haina phongdoki